American Airlines? That's usually not a name that we come up with and we say, you know what, this is really exciting, folks. Well, it actually is exciting. We've been talking about this for a while. A lot of unusual option activity in the airline world, whether it's Delta, American, United, you can go through all of them, quite frankly. JetBlue had an incredible run yesterday. Well, today it's American Airlines. It's actually hitting 52-week highs. It got up and over that 17 level. It's up about 14% or more. They raised their earnings forecast. That was something that people very much embraced. They also talked about how resilient everybody is and the ability that they can raise the prices, they can enhance those prices, and that people are just saying, all right, I'll do that. The co-branding with Citigroup and all of the rest of it, they put that out there for another 10 years, another decade. So there's a lot of good things going on, not just with American today, but every one of these airlines. And we see a lot of unbelievable paper in Jets itself, which is an ETF for the major airlines as well. Mark, I'll let you go on that AAL, some of that unusual, though, because that certainly did stand out for us as well. Gives you an opportunity to say, maybe this thing's got a chance to jump, which is exactly what it's doing.
Yeah, and I mean, look, this is really a great management story, Pete, as much as anything else, because there's a fair number of headwinds, if you'll excuse the terrible pun, facing American Airlines and other members of that sector. You've got labor concerns. You've got cost per seat going up. You've got that congressional report just last week ripping the airlines to shreds about seat fees and all of that, threatening additional regulation, maybe legislation to bring that down. I know passengers would love that. I know that they've benefited, of course, from lower fuel prices. That's a continuation of that fantastic future oil story that we just talked about. But yeah, man, we had some terrific bullish call buying as early as the 22nd of November. They were coming in 35,000 lot of the December 15 calls. Then again on the 26th, just before Thanksgiving, another 9,700. Then again on the 3rd of December, another big lot, 10,500 of the September 20 calls. Look at that one, pretty far out into next year. And then most recently, just this morning, they were coming in buying 3,300 of the December 1650s. Lots of bullish activity in this name. And yeah, not one that I would expect to get this kind of performance. I'd expect to see this kind of performance out of one of our AI darlings, not one of the stodgy old airlines, but they're making it work, notwithstanding some headwinds benefiting from that fuel price situation.